You may find this hard to believe, but focusing on your health and your well-being will help you to boost your confidence. Find some time to slow down, relax, and get some rest, but don't overdo it. As a teenager, your sleep patterns change and you tend to sleep longer by going to bed later and waking up later. If you must sleep or nap during the day, spend only 30 minutes so you don't end up staying up half the night and then waking up tired because you've not had enough sleep. Ideally, you need 9 to 10 hours of sleep at night. So going to bed at a sensible time should help you to get enough sleep. I know that eating vegetables can be a challenge for some teenagers, but fruits and vegetables are good sources of many of the vitamins and minerals your body needs to develop during your teenage years. Aim to eat at least 5 portions of a variety of fruits and veg a day. Cut down on junk food and eat healthy, nourishing meals. Swap fries for carrot sticks, even if you have to dip them in ketchup. Swap ice cream for yogurts or healthy smoothies. Drink enough fluids, ideally 1.7 liters of water a day. Cut down on fizzy, sugary, and caffeinated drinks. Exercise is very important for both your physical and mental well-being. Apart from helping you to stay fit and maintain a healthy weight, exercising can also help to reduce feelings of anxiety and depression and improve your quality of sleep. If you found this video helpful, please like it and share it. Remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel where you'll find more of my motivational videos for young people. You can also follow me on Instagram. Take good care of you and see you next week.